Today we will go to learn the relation between two straight lines. At the beginning, we had studied before the straight lines. What is the meaning of straight lines? Straight lines as the line has no start or end points. No starting or end points. The second shape, line segment. The line segment has two start point. And the ray, the last shape, the ray. The ray has start point and no end point. The second, we have learning types of angles. The first angle is zero angles, and acute angle. And the third is right angle. And the last angle is obtuse angle. Now let's go to show the relation between two straight lines. The first case, if I have this straight line, the first straight line is AB, and the second straight line is CD. If these two straight lines is intersected at one point, we call intersecting two straight lines. If I have two straight lines like this and meet in one point, we will call straight lines, two straight lines. The second case, two perpendicular. To what? Perpendicular. Repeat after me. Perpendicular. If I have two straight lines and CD and AB like this, and make four right angle. Four right angle. We will call perpendicular. What is the difference between intersecting two straight lines and perpendicular two straight lines? All of them are intersecting at point, but intersecting two straight lines make two acute angle and two obtuse angle. But perpendicular two straight lines make four right angle. How many angle? Four right angle. And the last case, two parallel straight lines. In this case, two parallel lines never intersect at any point. Like the way of train. They never intersect at any point. Again, what is called two straight lines? Who can tell me the answer? Intersecting. Excellent. What is the called two straight line? Perpendicular. Excellent. How many angles in perpendicular case? And what type? It's four right angles. Two straight lines make four right angles. Very important note between two this. Intersecting meets at point. Intersect at one point. And perpendicular intersect one point. But intersecting no make right angle. Now let's go to answer this exercise. Notice the figure, then complete. In this exercise, you should have two different colors pen. AB. Where is the AB? This. And BC. Where is the BC? And I will extend the line to this line. What is they are made? Perpendicular or parallel? It is intersect at B. Then they are perpendicular and make right angle. Then they are perpendicular. And the second, AB. This. And YZ. Who can tell me the answer? Who can tell me? Perpendicular or parallel? Excellent. Parallel. Why it's two straight line parallel? Because they are never intersect. Because they are never intersect. Like this. Never intersect. And the last, XY. Where is the XY? Where is the XY, mister? Here, XY. And BC. Where is the BC? If I put this pen and this pen, what is the relation between these pens? Perpendicular or parallel? Who can tell me the answer? Excellent, parallel. Because they are never intersect. Look at with me. The same exercise. AY, where is AY? This. And extend. AY intersects with BZ. Where is the BZ? And extend. Add point. AY intersects with BZ. Add points. What is the point? What is the common point? What is the intersect point? They are intersect at this C. Excellent. The second point. YC. YC. Where is the YC? Where is the YC? This. Intersects with BX. Where is the BX? If I extend. What is the point they are intersect at it? A. Excellent. Point A. At the end, the summary of lesson today. We have three relations between two straight lines. And the first, intersecting. Like multiply. Same. The second relation is perpendicular. It's made for right angles. And the last relation is parallel. Two straight lines, in this case, two straight lines never intersect at any point. Thanks for watching the video. I will see you later.